All right, looking at point or question B, we have a rectangle. Okay, we're trying to kind of look at this triangle right here. So we know that 8 is actually going to be this other side here. So again, we want to start by figuring out which one is C. So in this case, we know C to be 17. A is 8, B is X. So we go ahead and write our Pythagorean theorem. We plug in our values. So we go back to how we labeled our triangle. And I'm really kind of just ignoring this other part over here. Okay, because we have the triangle we need. All right, so A is 8, B is X, C is 17. All right, so some of this is pretty easy. If you don't know 17 squared in your head, you can use your calculator. All right, then we're going to take away 64 from the 289 to get 225. Okay, so it's always a good habit just to see if it's a perfect square. So if you think it might be a perfect square, you can put in your calculator and just see what it would be. That one also might be one you have memorized. So this one does end up being a perfect square of 15. So check it. If you get a decimal, that means you just have to go break it up. Okay, if you ended up working through this, you could have just broken it up a couple of different ways here. We know 5 will go into it 45 times, then we have 9 and 5, and then we have 3 and 3. So when you do that, you have two perfect squares. You have a 3 and you have the 5s. So we just do 5 times 3. Okay, which gives you the whole number 15.